Hello friends, welcome to my channel Cyrus Creations. Today I'm here with another DIY project, and this DIY also related with the sewing. So let's head to our today project. S- So I have here a 10 to 11-year-old girl dress, but the neckline is very small for her. So today I'm gonna show you how we can open a neckline from back side and make it more pretty. So for this project, I already have a matching ribbon. You can use any piping. I had to use my leftover fabric and make my own ribbon. Then I have a pom-poms, 3 colors, which I already have in this dress. I'm using that one. I usually use on the sides. So first process is cutting. So let's see how I'm gonna cut this stuff. Once you have your side corners matching, and bring this one in center, and from center to we're gonna cut like 3 to 4 inches in a round circle. I guess because it's a little girl dress, so I'm gonna keep 3, not more than 3. All right, and from here to I will take 2 inches for circle. So 2 and 3.
Alright, as you can see on the back, this neckline is open. So now the next part is, you guys remember we had our center? Almost here. We are using our ribbons around the edges of where we had cut. Like this, and this. Let's pin up together.
All right, as you can see, I had to pin up my piping around the circle, and now the next part is we're gonna stitch around the edges. As you can see, this look very pretty neat. And then I'm gonna show you last step. All right, so next step is I'm gonna show you how we're gonna attach these beautiful pom-poms on the end. I'm using black thread. That's it. See that? Hey guys, as you can see, our today project turned out to very pretty, and especially if you have a plan of recycling any old dress, this is a perfect project for your backside neckline, and in that way you can wear easily small neckline, you know. If you really like this idea, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel Cyrus Creations. If you have any suggestion for my channels, please feel free to comments below. And I'm so excited and looking forward to bring more DIY projects which can help you, especially with the sewings and craft. God bless you all, and thank you for watching. Bye bye.